Okay, today we're going to make Christmas pie. And I'm going to make it out of my Plaster of Paris. So I got me a pie pan. This was a used product. It was a tier tray I made from Dollar Tree. I got my big bucket and I got my Plaster of Paris. I'm just going to go ahead and keep it in my office part where my kitchen is. Because it's a big old cat litter box, I'm just going to scoop out some cupfuls into my bucket here, 4 heaping cups. And I don't know what the ratio is because it's been so long. I don't even know. And this is not my food utensils. Once you use it for fake stuff, don't use it for real stuff, y'all. Okay. And I'm just going to add water to it. Don't let this go down your drain. It won't be good. And I'm just going to mix it. I'll stir it up. Where's my safety glasses? Not in here, apparently. I need to bring a spatula, egg beater out here. A little more. I did not want to try that. Where it's like pancake batter. I feel it already thickening up. You could add more to it if you wanted to set up fast. Yes, I'm very messy. Hold on. I'll be a messy cook, but I clean up after myself. And I'm just going to pour it pretty much full. And if it's okay if it's lumpy. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. And I'll take this outside in the water hose and clean it out because I ain't clean out my sink. Okay. And you want to make sure that it's level. And I'm doing that to get out the air bubbles. I'm going to set that right here and it's going to stay there until it is solid. Make sure it's pretty level. Yep. And we'll be back when it dries, y'all. Alright, we got the pie all dry. It's been a week. I still feel wetness, kind of. This weighs 3 pounds and 5 ounces, y'all. I think next time I'm going to use my spray foam. I decided to go ahead and go with this green here. I think it'll go with the gingerbread in my kitchen. And it'd be like a lime pie, key lime maybe. I don't know, I don't eat key lime, but I don't have my paint clothes on. I figured since I probably scared y'all to death in my last video of no makeup on and all rough looking, I would skip it this time. Don't want to scare y'all to death, give y'all heart attacks now. Been's out there working on my underpinning again. So I might have to break y'all, pause it. because he's really noisy sometimes. So we're going to let this set and see if I need to get another coat. But today we're going to go ahead and put icing on the lime peppermint pie. I'm spackling out and put it in a smaller jar because it's drying out too quick on me. Let's see if I can stir it up a little bit. I should not be able to almost make a ball because it's drying out. Okay. I'm going to spritz water in it. And I'll use it all today or tomorrow, so I'm not worried about the water in it. Oh yeah, it's getting a lot better. This is with me stirring it up just a little. See how much better it is? Now, if it was going to sit on a shelf for a while, I wouldn't do it because water does mold and turn green. You can also add paint. I'm not adding paint to it because I don't know if I'm going to keep all of this white. So I'd hate to put white paint in there and then have to put other paint. So. I'm hoping to get all the outside. This is going to be the first time using the big Russian tip. I'm trying to up, down, but it's not letting me do it. Up, down, up, down. First two did it, but I couldn't do it after that. I'm having a lot of trouble. How's that look, y'all? Okay, I'm going to use peppermints from Hobby Lobby to put on top, but I think I'm just going to make dollops. I'm just going to the string that they're on. I'll start at the bottom, in the middle too. Okay, so there's 5 peppermints. Oh, I don't think I even have to do this. Oh, safety glasses. It's not worth that. It's not worth me shooting an eye out. Okay. And this is the tip I'm using. It's like a star tip, but twirled. Okay, I'm going to try to make some rosettes in the middle. Oh my goodness, my spackle should not be picking up with me. Of course, I can make them and put them on there. Done that too. We'll do that. Okay, they look about the same. Y'all know me, I can't handle. I'm just going to take the tip part where you tie it in, and I'm just going to stick them in there. The broken one. I didn't think about that, but that'd make it easier. There we go. Okay, last minute thing, I decided to put some of this glitter dust. It's really fine powdered. Sprinkled on the icing. It won't stick to the paint because the paint's already dry. What, Rain? Hopefully you can see the sparkle. Ooh, I'm glittered up again, y'all.